Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can join your WhatsApp group through a link. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to join your WhatsApp group through a link, firstly open your WhatsApp application. The message section will appear on the screen. Click on the message you received. You can see the link on the message you opened to join the group. Click on the link. A message will pop up on the screen. Tap on Join Group and then on View Group option. You will then be added to the group. This is how you can join your WhatsApp group through link just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.